Balaban pala yun. Kaya pala. Nag-aaral sa kanila na tumawag na bumalik dito sa island. Yung limang batang tinatawag na yun, sila yung parang may hospital dito. Napayat ako nakakuha ang dal dito eh.
Stream sa YouTube soon, later. Pero wala pa nga tayo dito sa topic at hand eh, no? Tinatry ko munang basahin lahat ng comments, no? So that, alam mo yun, lahat ng comments
muzzle jump to create a horizontal sweep. That was impressive.
Bet you've never seen that technique in the West.
It's imitation, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a Chinese type set.
And yung word na norm, parang very derogative na siya, no? Compared dun sa parang pag sinabi kang weeb, way back then, yun ang parang very derogative na
Let's see where this leads. Do you think the Karja will take action? Seems like you'd have common ground.
An expedition of the Karja army into the west could be taken as the start of another Sun King of
I'm an idiot.
Erend! By the forge.
I guess that's my key.
Maybe I should go with you to Barren Light.
No, hey, you.
so basta yun, medyo mahaba na eh. Parang nag-overstay na nga yung parang buffer. No, that's why yung mga nasa upper ups
sorry. Was a little too close to the blast.
What happened?
We were blasting in the farthest tunnel, but the scaffolding didn't hold. It collapsed. I think it blocked the drainage.
Motherland. Ever since the Cuban Missile Crisis 2 years ago, Khrushchev has been pursuing a policy of peaceful coexistence with the West. Despite resistance and criticism from hawks in the army,
So, the savior herself. Walloper of Derval. Got her a fuse.
Maybe.
I've heard many tales.
Richard experiments na nangyari dyan. Umawi naman yung camera.
Go home.
What is the meaning of this violation?
Why send a child? Do they want to parlay or not?
The Khajar can't be trusted. This is no.
Forget the card.
One hit delete.
Tanong, what's the issue? What's the problem? Siguro ang unang-una diyan is para sa atin, no? Especially sa video game collecting.
Ang CQC yan. Close square combat.
So, this is the Forbidden West. A whole new frontier to explore. The coordinates from the spire.
Siya. So from the source, which is yung provider natin, yung platform, na-download natin from that, no? So ngayon, ito yung issue dyan. So let's say
Entrance hall. Dito na.
soon as I wrap up some previous commitments, tie up some loose ends. After all, the welfare of Chainscrape's people in a transition like
Nope,
this...
you're leaving right now. Chainscrape will be just fine. What's going on at that camp?
You really think you can do that?
Karuk, come on! You know.
Most. With pens. That might be where Regal is keeping her machines. I need to find a way to get in there. I can scan the area to see what I'm up against.
Totally wala na siya doon sa origin, no? But mata-transfer yung parang, let's say, yung content doon sa destination niya. Yun yung something na
HQ.
This is HQ.
Control here. We have evidence of an enemy intruder. Commence alert formation.
Okay guys, save muna natin to. Try natin mamaya. Pero parang ayoko.
The intelligence says that they are going to make their move during the test.
Then, the soldiers outside.
Ang ina mo, Joshua, pati ikaw, ang bagal mo rin tumakbo, hayop ka.
Nothing means nothing. Call it a modest gentleman's agreement to ensure our continued relationship.
What if...
Walang dal dito. What's this?
gusto mo siyang ibenta para at least meron kang bagong laro para alam mo yun, diba? May bagong laro na bibilhin tapos gusto mo ibenta yon. So, yan. Diba? What is Web3? So ano yung ibig sabihin nito? Diba? Anong niyan? Anong pinagkaiba niyan? Okay, so ngayon
PS5 ang gamit mo, sir? Hindi po, sir. PS4. Ay, ano, PC version.
Game hardware such as arcade and then yung game console. Ito yung parang mismo on the hardware itself. 'Di ba? So kung mapapansin niyo yung mga retro enthusiasts, no? So tinatry nilang i-modify
That is the line between East and West. Cross it and die.
Hold on now. Let's take it easy.
None may walk this valley until our signals.
ang tawag doon sa mga bagay na essentials para mabuhay ang tao. Yan, like water, 'di ba? Food, 'di ba? Ano na? Pwede ano na? Wait lang sana all daw petics. Grabe sir, di nga ako petics eh. Petics na sa work, no?
Yun.
Diba? So ngayon, ang key doon, no? Para ma-download mo yung game is that meron tayong tinatawag na DRM or yung tinatawag natin digital right management. So,
yeah.
na yun na pumunta ako sa Disneyland. 1 day, 8 nights. Ano yun? 1 day tapos 8 nights. Grabe ka sa na walang masyadong heavy tasks and everything, no? Parang nagsasagot lang ng mga chat kung kailangan, 'di ba? O kaya ng email, 'di ba? O kaya nagpa-follow up ng
Why? Apparently, they're conducting a field test of the weapon, but it's our best chance to get him back. This mission would never have been possible if he was still in the research facility. This is
You know. Nakasabit.
We gotta talk.
Kasing na may. Natin, baka nandyan lang yung sa taas.
Sabihin nito, lahat to shared across all of us. So, magiging invalid yung kunyari, gumawa ka ng transaction, mag-add ka ng another transaction dito. Person 5. for that. No? So parang depende 'yon, no, kung gusto ni Sony gawin yung managing for that. Pero pwede rin kasing yung community mismo itself yung mag-manage nun.
Then die. No, I believe because I have to, even if it is a lie. That's part of my mission.
I'll have to remember that. If you need me, give me a call on the radio.
Who's that?
2S, merong HK, merong Singapore, meron din akong UK. Na? Yan, si JR nagbigay sa amin ng game. Kaso ang region niya R2. So malaki siyang undertaking, to be honest. Especially kung halimbawa, sabihin natin kay Sony or kay Nintendo, na parang bibigyan nila ng attention or care. With the platform is syempre via account, diba? And then tong account na to kinreate natin dun sa platform, so meron silang hold ng record kung sino tayo, kung ano yung identity natin.
The day of the lunar eclipse is at hand. Day of the original version of the Rogue Tsukagura left only to legend.
Nung nalaro ko yung Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, parang na-feel ko ulit yung Shadowfall vibe on that. 'Di ba? Tapos ayun pa nga. I mean, mas lalo pa siya.
You mean the one where the US agreed to remove its IRBMs from Turkey?
You mean the one?
The Jupiter IRBMs deployed in
Hirap
Turkey
gayahin
are
ang boss ni
obsolete.
David Hayter po.
We were gonna get rid of them anyway.
Daming points na. 500k yung points na naipon. Kaya kayo mga multo kayo. Kanya-kanya pa kayo dalang pamalo
Okay. Anong kaguluhan daw to, sir? Now, anyway, ayun nga. No? So, I tried to read all of the comments muna, guys, no, before tayo mag-simula nung parang pinaka...
Can it set over a land at peace? Today is such...
Hear me, marshals! You
safely to the west. We used a mole to get the family out first and succeeded in sneaking Sokolov over the Berlin Wall shortly afterwards. I was the one who conducted the operation.
supported hospital, ganun. Parang. Pero ito.
From that range, huh? You're all talk, huh?
On top of that, the tragedy last November.
President Kennedy's assassination.
Precisely. In a sense, Khrushchev has lost his biggest partner and his power base.
Ayun din, no? Kumbaga parang nasa ano din nasa capacity din ng tao. No? Nasa capacity din nila kung hanggang saan yung parang budget nila. Kumbaga practicality lang, no? At least on my case, na where's the case? Sorry, where's the shelves? Di ba?
Get things underway.
Yes, the Sun Priest. Walked in practically kicking and screaming. Really seems to... But the embassy remains delayed. Command, but the Tanakh...
Alas, the leaks. All right.
Oh, yung gold film kasi ano eh, limited lang eh. Yung Zero.
Spread your wings and fly. God be with you.
Buy-in mo to do that, no? Na maging, alam mo yun, na mag-persevere dun sa goal nila despite of